Hello, welcome to sqadia.com. I am Hammad Haider and you are watching sqadia.com. Today our topic is leprosy. In this lecture we will be briefly discussing, as you know, that leprosy is infection caused by the mycobacterium leprae in these patients. There are multiple systems involvement, but we will be briefly discussing mainly the complication of the leprosy associated with the joints, especially the complications in hand and foot and ankle. In the first section, we'll briefly going through the how the nerves actually get affected, especially ulnar nerve, which is the most commonly affected in the hand and leads to claw hand. What happens when the ulnar median both are affected, and what are the correctable options we have. And in the lastly, we'll be going through the triple paralysis in this section. That is when the median, ulnar, and radial nerve all are involved. In this next section, we'll going through the changes, what happens in the foot and ankle, especially when there is intrinsic muscle paralysis, there's loss of arches, and how the foot ulcers are actually formed in the foot, and what are the different options we have in once the foot ulcers are formed. We'll be briefly discussing the drop foot and types of drop foot, that is the flexible equinovarus and rigid equinovarus. And then we'll be also discussing the natural history and management of the ulcers and their pathogenesis, and what are the surgical options we have to correct this plantar ulceration, which is actually formed on the plantar surface of this neuropathic foot. Lastly, we'll be going through the neuropathic tarsal disorganization. As you know that this is a neuropathic foot, eventually due to inadequately reduced fractures usually results in aseptic tarsal disorganization, while septic tarsal disorganization is due to the infection which is spreading from the plantar surface up to the dorsal surface, eventually causing tarsal disorganization. In last and briefly, we'll be discussing about the different types of amputation, that is the ray amputation, transmetatarsal amputation, Lisfranc amputation, and Chopard amputation. Thank you very much. Keep watching sqadia.com.